Hello, beautiful. This is Jennifer Hadley, and our prayer for today is for being consistently honest. According to the teachings of A Course in Miracles, honesty is consistency. So let's be consistently loving and be in integrity with our heart, with our soul, with our spirit, with God itself. We're taking a breath of love and gratitude together, hand on our heart. We're rising up above the battlefield, and we're choosing to be consistently honest with ourselves, honest with God, honest in terms of being aligned with the truth. We are grateful to surrender any attachments we have to our stories, to the misperceptions and projections that we've been dragging with us. We're setting ourselves free by choosing liberation, and liberation is what happens when we align with the truth, when we are consistently honest that we are choosing love, choosing compassion, choosing kindness, choosing to recognize and remember at all times, as much as possible, that we are one with everyone. Any stone we throw at another, we're throwing at ourselves. There's no way around that. We are grateful and thankful for the unity of all life, that we are connected, that we are one, and that love is real. We are grateful and thankful to open our hearts to be consistently honest in being compassionate and kind and caring. So grateful that we can be strong and we can be clear. We can have strong boundaries and we can still be consistently loving and compassionate. How cool is that? We're grateful to share the benefits with everyone everywhere because we are forever one with them. We are grateful to allow it to unfold with ease and with grace. We let it be. And so it is. Amen. 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 So good. Thank you for praying with me today. Thank you for your willingness. It's powerful. It's life-changing. It truly is. And I've been talking a lot, sharing a lot about how excited I am about this intensive training, the counseling training that is happening in Asheville, coming right up. Mark Anthony Lord and myself. And then after the in-person part, we have an online part with John Mundy, Michael Mirdad, Lisa Natoli, and Alan Cohen. Fabulous. Never seen anything like this. It's an extraordinary opportunity, and we are going to have a deep healing together. So that's the reason to come. Yes, if you're a professional or you'd like to be, come for those reasons, or just come for the healing of a lifetime. You choose. I'm happy to be with you either way. And have an amazing and beautiful day being consistent and honest. I love you.